Hey guys, so welcome back for another live exhaust sound reveal. This is Drift Exhaust, ang inyong pambansang bomba, and my name is GM. And this is just gonna be a quick one, really. We are gonna be doing a live sound reveal on these two big bikes. Ayan, medyo nakatago yung isa dun. So we have the BMW S1000XR. And what we've done with the bike was just really a quick slip-on. Ito lang siya. And then, dito tayo. And this is the Ducati Scrambler 800. And this is a headerback. But this time I wanna showcase yung or show you how this bike will sound like with a DB killer. So naglagay tayo ng DB killer dito, guys. So I'm gonna let you parang see or hear the difference between having a kind of like a full exhaust versus one with a DB killer. So I'll show that to you guys in a bit now. So it's gonna be exciting. And I see my brother Marlon Estruelia is watching. How are you, brother? And I'll see you later. And then we have Ryan Keen de la Serna, Bonnie Bergonia, Brian Salvadora, Chichi Ray, Janelle Brillante, shout out to you. Chichi Ray, shout out to you. Christopher Clement, syempre hindi mawawala yan. So again, it's just gonna be a quick exhaust showdown between these two bikes. Right now we are still working on some big bikes inside the workshop area, which includes the Suzuki GSX S1000 and the Z900. So I think the Z900, we're going to be doing a live sound reveal of that bike in a bit as well. So stay tuned for that too. Si Ed Agustin or Iad Agustin is watching. Kay JJ Sapnu is also watching. Hi, brother. Kay Jersey is also watching. Bundat Yana, syempre di mawawala yan. So alright, so without further ado, guys, hindi na natin pa, tatagalin pa to. Alright, so this is the BMW S1000XR. Napakagandang bike, no? Especially if you're gonna be doing a long drive or long ride. Yan, sarap dalhin nito. Sabi ni Bundat Yana, si Bossing, good afternoon. Long live Drift Exhaust. Thank you so much. And Jersey is all the way from Pampanga. Si Supremo Hybro, pambansang bomba from Santa Maria, Bulacan. Si Cheding Benz is also watching. So let's give you a quick walk around. So tanong ni Dicky Limon, need po ba a tune for full exhaust system? It's not a requirement. No, guys, no, it's not a requirement. But it's recommended if you wanted more power. The thing with how we do our exhaust system is that we maintain yung mga sensors, so everything is bolt on. So we compute all the right pipe diameter so that you don't lose any power. Rather, you're gonna gain, you're expected to gain around 10% more power and even better fuel efficiency. So that's the thing with our design. You don't need to. It's not a requirement to tune the bike. Same goes for the cars. It's not a requirement. Of course, you know, if you wanna tune it, it's still recommended if you wanted more power. Zeus is all the way from Leyte. Si Zeus Janile Lianas. Si Carlson Arellano. Si J. Rose Matilos is all the way from Cebu. Of course, di mawawala yan si Mervin Morate, present board GM. Boss, absent ako kanina. That's fine. Parati ka namang present. So thank you so much, Melvin Morante. Kit Torres, mainit na hapon, Sir GM. Shout out to you. We want to give a shout out to the Solid Panay Riders Club from John Perez. Alright, so ito siya, guys, no? Si Adam Curato is also, or Curato is watching all the way from Cebu. Yan. Christopher Clement, of course, Drift Exhaust number 1. Si Mac Foland Salbao. Wow, ang ganda ng pangalan. Alright, so ito siya. And this bike is very high-tech, actually, no? With all the bells and whistles that you expect from a BMW. And actually it's keyless, so I have got the key here, and you just have to press this little baby over here to start it. So tingnan natin, let's start it na, no? Tingnan natin. Let's see if I know how to start this thing. So I guess I have to press that and look at the screen. It's TFT na, ganda. And then now let's try to start it. So again guys, no, hindi cut delete to, slip on lang ang ginawa natin dito. So as you can see, you still have that catalytic underneath the body or the frame of the bike. So hindi siya ganun kalakas, but there's a big difference between stock and having an axle back. I give a shout out to Noriel Nolasco all the way from Bulacan. Alright, ready na kayo? Rev na natin to guys, no? So the expectation is it's not gonna be that loud because it's just a slip-on and you still have the muffler or the catalytic under there. Right, rev na natin. Alright, so really just enough for the people around you to hear that he's coming. So sobrang sakto naman, hindi ganun kalakas, no? But if you wanna get the beast out of this bike, yung sound niya, syempre like full exhaust natin yan. Alright, so up next would be the Ducati Scrambler. The keys over here. Start na natin to guys, ha. So basically what we've done with the exhaust was a header back. So tanggal yung catalytic and there's a loop under there. So we have done this bike for a while now, and kaya lang gusto niya maging mabait sa mga kapitbahay niya. So nagpadagdag siya ng DB killer. Right? So this is the upgrade that we've done with the bike today. We have just installed our DB killer. And let's see how this bike will sound like with the DB killer on. And then later tatanggalin ko yun, ano, para lang may comparison tayo. Alright, so start na natin to. Ayan, kakatapos na namin ng exhaust for his car. It's a Honda City. Alright, so guys, ito na. Ganda rin nun, no? So, if I'm about 1.5 meter away, yan. Hindi siya masyado maingay, no, guys? Because of the DB killer. But even with the DB killer, ang ganda ng tunog nito, ha. I'll let you guys hear it. So, ilalagay natin siya sa, may lagay mo nga sa 3,000 RPM. Tingnan natin guys kung gaano kalakas, 3,000 RPM. Alright, at 3,000 RPM. So guys, no, at 3,000 RPM, hindi tumataas ng mga 98 decibels. So pasadong-pasado to. But tatanggalin ngayon natin yung yung ating ngayong DB killer. Ito si Kuya Crispin. Siya magtatanggal. It's very easy to remove, no? We have just secured it with one screw. So yan, bolt and screw. Ano ba tawag dyan? Tornilyo, di ba? Yan. So, yan. Hihilain mo lang ganyan guys, oh. Yan. So, yan. Tanggal na yung DB killer niya. So, earlier, di ba, we saw nasa 3,000 RPM, around 97 degrees lang. Or degrees na, decibels. So, Mel, pa-start ulit. Start natin ulit, guys, ha. Tingnan natin yung difference. Ito, idle pa lang, mga nasa 96 kaagad. So idle pa lang yun guys, ha. Idle pa lang yun. So i-rev natin para marinig nyo. So, sabi ni Jaloy Mika Bansag, bomba. So, remember guys, earlier, di ba? Nung nire-rev natin siya sa 3,000 RPM, around ano lang siya, mga 97 or 98 decibels. Tapos ngayon, wala na yung DB killer. Pag-start pa lang, idle pa lang, mga 97 na kagad. So, tingnan natin ngayon. Measure na natin siya guys, no, kapag wala yung DB killer at 3,000 RPM kung ilang decibel siya. Alright, 90. So definitely mas malakas ngayon without the DB killer. From what I saw, ano nga ba nakita ko, wait mga nakalimutan ko. Nakalimutan ko kung ilang decibels ba yun. Waitin natin, ha. Alright guys, kanina with the DB killer on, nasa 87 lang siya, no? But without the DB killer, mga nasa 104 na siya guys. So ang laki din ng tinaas, about 20 decibels din ang binawas without or with the DB killer. Alright, so I guess that's pretty much it guys. No, it's just a very quick sound demo or sound exhaust upgrade or live exhaust reveal of these two beautiful bikes, and I'll catch up with you guys again soon. Bye, God bless.